Understanding the phrase, gears grinding. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and often used phrase, gears grinding. This phrase is not just about machinery, but it's a metaphor used in various contexts. Let's dive into what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. The phrase, gears grinding, originally comes from machinery, where it refers to the sound and action when gears in a machine do not mesh smoothly. It creates a jarring, harsh noise, indicating that something is not working properly. This literal meaning lays the foundation for its metaphorical use. In everyday language, gears grinding is used metaphorically to describe a situation where there is friction or difficulty in processes, relationships, or thoughts. For example, when two people have a disagreement, and they can't seem to find common ground, you might say, their gears are grinding. It implies a lack of smooth interaction or progress. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. During the meeting, you could feel the gears grinding as the team members argued over the strategy. 2. Her gears were grinding trying to solve the complex math problem. 3. The gears grind every time those two work together, indicating a lack of cooperation. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to formal reports. It's versatile and helps convey a sense of difficulty or conflict effectively. However, it's important to use it in appropriate situations where the metaphor accurately describes the scenario. Similar phrases include, at odds, butting heads, and in a rut. These also describe situations of conflict, difficulty, or lack of progress, and can often be used interchangeably with gears grinding. We hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, gears grinding, effectively in your English conversations. It's a vivid metaphor that adds color to your language. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using English phrases like a native speaker. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.